Hi guys, welcome to one new episode to building my dream kitchen. So guys, today is the third episode to building my dream kitchen. And how you see, it's not so much thing done, but I'm continue, and soon I hope more 2 episodes and we're gonna finish the kitchen. So guys, if you are ready, let's start it. Here we go.
Invincible.
This was the third episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And now it's looking already a little bit like a kitchen. I'm very happy and I'm very excited for the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next week in next episode.